பூமியில் சிறந்த புண்ணிய காஞ்சியில் இந்த பூமியில வந்து பெஸ்ட் பிளேஸ் இஸ் காஞ்சி. காஞ்சியில அண்ட் காமகோட்டி என்னும் தடாகம் இஸ் ரிவர் லேக். In that Kamakoti, in that lake, I saw a lotus Jnana Tamarai blossoming in that lake. And Charanam comes Karunai Vidigal Kaliyoda Nokira, because Mahabharata is so kind-hearted always. He blesses with the very kind eyes. When he looks at you only, you get everything, all your problems get over. Karunai Vidigal Kaliyoda Nokira. With so much of love and affection, he sees you. Karangal means hands. He always keeps the hands there. Karangal Angudan. It is not that okay, bye bye. It is not that. Angudan with love is blessing you. Angudan Ashi Nalgida. Iripada Malargal, Innargal Kalinda. Iripada, both the legs he keeps this. When you hand a darshan of his feet only, all your problems get over. Innargal Kalinda. Innargal means all your difficulties will get over. It will get over by the moment you have his father darshanam. Thiruvai Malaro Arudurai Podindra. His all this thing, speech and everything is of it's a blessing to us. Whatever he speaks, it is a blessing to us. So that was the song. Then she was asking me who is the composer. Very nice song. As if she doesn't know this. You feel happy like a small child. I felt very happy. Yeah, same thing with Mahabharata also. When I sang this Kanaka Shaila, he was asking me, "Yaar, you paatu paadu vandirukalo?" And he came from inside. So he was asking me, "Whether she Shama Shastri Kriti?" I said, "Yes." I was feeling very happy that Periva is asking me some question and I know the answer. And now I think how foolish I was. But still I was young. Probably he may also be aware that I am also a small young girl, so I may not be aware of this. So he has also excused me. I'll sing that song. And now since I told you the meaning, you can understand that song. She wanted on Mahapariva, so I am singing that song on Mahapariva.
Which is your all-time favorite song?
All-time favorite song is I sing one Virtham in Tamil on Mahapariva. And I get really, and I can't sing. If you ask me to sing that song now, I cannot sing because I have to come to that some mood and some particular this thing. And Mahapariva only I sing that Chandrasekhara Saraswati Sharma. It's all Tamil only.
Is there any song in Sanskrit or Telugu? In Sanskrit or Telugu, is there any?
Most of the songs and Periva are Tamil.
It is Tamil. Sanskrit also it is there. I will sing one Sanskrit song also for you. Tamarai Mala